Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, lavidawithkim, and today guys I'm doing part 2 of the bag that I have been working on, the Marc tote bag. If you saw that video, if you didn't, I'm gonna link it down below or over here, one of these corners, so you guys can go check it out and then come here and watch this part 2 guys. So if you remember, this is how the bag is currently looking. So this is a collab video guys. I am working with Jorgelina from 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽 guys, because this is actually her bag. Do you guys remember how it used to look? If you don't guys, this is how it looked. And this is how it looks now guys. Big difference, right? But I did tell you guys I was not done. I am not happy with the lettering. I want to do something with it today. So I'm really hoping I can turn it into something she will love. I have some ideas in mind. We shall see what I go with. But guys, stay tuned and keep watching and let's see what I do. Let's go. So guys, I was like, okay, I'm done trying to fix these letters. And I decided to just bling them, guys. You can see right here all the damage. If you saw the first video, it got ruined when I dyed the bag. And yeah, I was like, I can't leave it like this. So I was like, okay, I'm going to bling it. I got some AB pink rhinestones that I'm going to be using to bling out all the letters. These are super cute. I feel like since it has that AB tone, it would reflect off the damage and cover it up, you know? And plus, of course, it's going to look beautiful blinged out. So I decided to go with Liquid Fusion as my adhesive. All I did was place tiny little dots of glue per area that I was going to place the rhinestones. And since this is a bag that's flexible, that's bendable, I did make sure that I did not place the rhinestones super close to each other so they don't end up popping off. I really have no clue how this glue is going to do on this bag. I just felt like it was a really good glue to use on it. I hope the rhinestones don't fall off. But as you can see right there, I did start off on the corners of the letters just to even out the areas where I was going to place the rhinestones. And I did that for every single letter. You guys can see right there how the AB is taking over and it's standing out, but you can still see the color of the letter coming through the rhinestones. I'm going to let you guys watch me bling just in case you guys feel like doing this to your bag, just so you guys can get an idea of how I did it. So once I got to the damaged letters, I did try to color them in one more time with the Sharpie like I had done previously. And it still looked the same, guys. I was just like, whatever. And I just blinked over it, guys. Same process with my Liquid Fusion and applying the rhinestones. The thing was, though, when I got to these areas right next to the strap, you can tell it's like two different pieces. I was just very careful to apply the glue, and I did use smaller rhinestones for it because obviously the bigger size rhinestones that I was using for the other letters would not have fit. Sorry, it's a little bit blurry. I hope you guys just get the point of what I was doing. But it's coming out super cute, right? So this is how the bag is looking so far. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the smaller letters in the bottom. I'm applying smaller size rhinestones, and again using my liquid fusion and spacing those rhinestones out so they're not bumping into each other all the way across. So once I was done blinging out all the letters, this is how it looked, guys. Doesn't look super cute. I actually loved how it came out. It really did take over those areas that were damaged. You cannot even tell, guys. So now that I was done doing that, I was like, let me see what else I can do. So guys, I went with patches just to give it, you know, a different look. I went with Harry Potter and Hermione. She loves Harry Potter, guys. So I was like, okay, this is going to be perfect for her. Give it a little remix, you know, make it different, make it unique. So I did decide where I wanted those patches. I wanted them on opposite corners. And I ironed them on, guys. These are iron-on patches. I did clean those areas first because, you know, this is like a canvas type bag and it does pick up dirt really quick. So I did clean it first. I applied the iron patch where I wanted it, and I placed a paper over it because it does say to not iron right over the patches. And I know I just said that and then I ironed right over the patch, guys. But yeah, it was just like irritating me a little bit. It wasn't sticking. It eventually did, but it did take some time, guys. So I did that to both patches, as you guys can see here. I made sure those things were on there because I didn't want them to fall off, you know. And once I was done, I cleaned off the bag. I also had one more patch, guys, that I decided to place on the back of the bag. And it is the Harry Potter logo, I believe. I did try to iron it a little bit because I felt like it was a bit wrinkled, but it was not working. So I was like, okay, whatever. But yes, I applied the patch in the back, this logo right here. I felt like it made the bag look so fancy. And of course, it is part of the Harry Potter theme, so it went perfect with the bag. I just did the same thing, guys. Placed the patch where I wanted it, placed the paper, and ironed over it. Made sure that it was completely attached to the bag. And that was it, guys. I let it completely dry, and now to the results. Okay, guys, so I am done with the bag. Do you want to see how it looks? You ready? These are my final results, okay, guys? Look at the bag. Oh my gosh, what do you guys think? What do you guys think? Be honest. Look at this. Look at the bling, the patches, guys. Oh my gosh. Super cute, right? Okay, guys. She loves Harry Potter, so I thought it would be perfect. Harry Potter and Hermione, right? I put the little school logo there. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh. Do you think she's gonna like it? She does love Harry Potter, guys. If you did go check out her videos, you saw that she has a bunch of Harry Potter Legos, guys. So that's how I know she's a fan, because those things are expensive. So I was like, let me throw some Harry Potter patches in here because, like I said, it looks pink on the camera, but I feel like it is a little bit darker in real life. It's more like I said, like a little maroonish. So I thought it would look good with the like school logo, you know? So that's why I was like, Harry Potter's perfect, you know? And then, yeah, guys, oh my gosh, what do you guys think? Look at the little bling. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, guys, I love it. I'm gonna have to make one for myself because this is just too cute, guys. It honestly came out way better than I thought. I feel like it's not too overwhelming, but at the same time, it's like a statement bag. You know, it's different. It's something you're never gonna see, you know, because it's unique. So I love that aspect too, guys. Oh my gosh. I love how it came out. And guys, wait for it. Let me show you what else I got. Just to make it 100 times better, I got a Harry Potter strap, guys. A Harry Potter strap, guys. Oh my gosh, I thought this would go perfect with the bag. I'm gonna add it to the bag so you guys can see how it looks, okay? So it is adjustable, which is awesome, and it does have the little clips, so it's easy to clip on. I thought it would be such a cute touch. I feel like the original strap still goes with it, but I mean, if she wants to switch it out, she can. So guys, oh my gosh, let me shorten it up so you guys can see better. Look at this. Tell me what you guys think. Oh, I wish you guys could see it better. Let me see. Just gonna throw it over here so you guys can see. Get the little vibe, you know. Look at this with the Harry Potter strap. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Let me know, guys. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I feel like it just takes it to a whole nother level. You know what I mean? Look at this. Get the vibe, get the vibe. I stretched it out a bit so you guys can see better. I don't know how to like model this thing. But oh my gosh. Well, hopefully you guys get the vibe. And she can alternate with her old strap that she sent me, which I told her not to, but she still did. This is the original strap. So like I said, she can switch it out because I feel like this pink does go with the lettering, the blinged out letters. Super cute, right? And you can't even tell of the letters where they're messed up. That was part of the reason why I was like, you know what? I'm just going to bling them out and it's going to cover those imperfections. And it did. I feel like they look awesome. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at that. So like, yeah, she can alternate straps. Now she has the two straps. I'm trying to show everything to you guys at the same time. It is a DIY bag and it's gonna have its little imperfections. I feel like it looks fine, but I feel like it does have that smell of like the dye, which is really irritating me. I try to let it air out, but I still feel like it smells a little bit. It's not like a overwhelming smell, but I do like smell it if I like get close to it, like, and I take a sniff. I can smell it. So if you do dye your bag, just know it might have a little like dye smell, but it's nothing severe or something that you're like, you know, gonna have an issue with. But yeah, just so you guys know. Do you guys remember how I used to look? Oh my gosh, look at the difference. Right? Oh my god, I love it. I just love it, guys. Oh my god, I am obsessed with it. I'm gonna make myself one too, so stay tuned because I need one. I need a customized bag like this. Now it's time to send it back to Jorgelina and we shall see what she says. But yes, guys, oh my gosh, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a little something, guys. Let me know if this inspired you to customize your own Marc Jacobs bag, guys. Look how cute. I just love it. I hope the bling stays up. This is my first time bedazzling like letters on a Marc Jacobs bag, especially since the plastic did come off, so it's a little bit different. I hope the letters do stay. I'm gonna be checking on it. I'm gonna be asking Jorgelina how the bling is doing, guys. But look, oh my gosh, super cute, guys. I am obsessed. I love it. I hope you guys do too. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. stay tuned because like I said, I'm feeling inspired. I'm gonna do something for myself too, guys. And shout out to Jorgelina. This bag is coming to you, girl. Stay tuned, guys. Hopefully she does like a reaction video. I don't know, guys. Oh my god, I hope she likes it. But yes, guys, okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.